Hey, listen, I needed a favor, yeah?
Sure, what's up?
Well, so I needed some help to buy something online. You're the online shopping guru, so thought I'll ask you.
Okay, what do you want to buy?
Well, I've been planning an anniversary trip with my wife, and I needed to buy something special, like lingerie. And I wanted you to help me out with that.
Sure, dude. But only if we do this in front of the camera.
Whoa. Okay. Cool.
As there are many misconceptions about laundry. Stop laughing at me!
Laundry? Laundry? कौन है laundry?
Laundry. Next time
A crash course to all men out there on shopping for on lingerie online. हाँ वो अभी करना पड़ेगा ना ये.
Hey guys, welcome to the brand new show called
Lingerie,
Not Lingerie.
where we're going to give all the guys out there a crash course on shopping online for lingerie.
And we're going to start with something simple like kimono sets, CAMI sets, and negligee, which is basically expensive nighties. And for them, you don't need your bust size. So welcome to the world of lingerie.
Great. So let's browse. What website should I go to?
Let's just keep it simple and expensive and go to Victoria's Secret.
I like it already.
Okay, let's begin with kimonos.
What the heck is kimono? I thought that was a Japanese traditional attire.
Yeah, it's really a traditional Japanese attire, but over here it's a Japanese inspired lingerie. It is very smooth and comfortable. It's like a nightgown or night dress, which can be worn as a beach cover-up or as a sundress on the beach.
Oh, great. Whoa, that's really nice.
Doesn't look nice, but okay, you can check
Yeah, so
tab or something.
model robe, back satin kimono. Sounds fancy. Sounds nice.
Everything is fancy here.
What else?
Do you want to go to another tab and
Dude,
check?
this is really expensive. $99.
I think my introduction said it.
Do I really want to spend that much of money?
Do you want to spend that much money and feel like a princess? Yes.
Feel like a princess? No, not me
Of
for
a
sure.
queen? Yes.
What about chantilly lace kimono?
Yeah, gently auntie looks nice, but no.
What about flange satin kimono?
Looks nice, but
So there's something called a crepe back satin kimono.
I mean crepe.
Anyway, so flounced satin kimono, long lined robe. This is bloody expensive, man.
Everything is expensive. You
$150.
want to see, like open one and see, na?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's go for a flounced kimono. What say you?
What say?
So what's this all about?
So I think flounce is about like for the sleeves because it gives a little flounce. And then we have the satin cloth and the tie is over here, as you can see, and it just rides up to the mid thigh.
It's not revealing enough.
What?
Yeah, as in I'm buying a...
For yourself, it's quite revealing. But okay, we'll check something else.
What about the pink one?
The pink one, I think it's even more covered, Shankar. What are you saying? सब कुछ तो covered है उसमें. I think it's probably a rajai. It looks like a rajai, no?
It doesn't.
It does. Maybe this one is nice, but this is not comfortable at all.
But this looks like a swimsuit
yeah,
more
it does
than...
look like. And यहाँ पर
But I like it. The price is really good. $35. As in, you get a swimsuit plus
I think kimono
a lingerie
needs
at
to be-
$35. I think it's good
be
enough.
comfortable so that मैं सो सकें.
It's comfortable to my eyes. That's what
You know what, I think
That's what I'm investing
How
for,
how
right?
can she be? No, I don't like this.
I like
Feel would be an issue.
Look, it says effortlessly sexy and
I think
super
you should
soft
really wear this.
model trimmed with delicate lace.
No, delicate lace नीचे सब चुभ रहा है. No. So the next one is CAMI sets.
Woohoo! Let's go for it.
Do you know what they are?
No, but I thought it just sounds exciting.
Not
so-
everything sounds exciting, but let's go. It's a type of a nightgown at least, to the say very least. And उसके बाद उसमें क्या होता है? There are two, like there are different. There are two. What are these parts of it? So it can be an intimate apparel as well, or it can be like a comfy pajama. मतलब जो जैसा मन.
Intimate and comfy.
मतलब जैसा मन
Oh wow, now we are talking.
I'm explaining. Okay.
Is
I'm
this-
explaining. I think, but pictures does have.
Is this intimate and comfy?
Yes, it is very comfy.
Awesome.
So it includes this low cut top, which has cami, so like the strappy spaghetti top.
Do you have one?
This I will not answer this question because after this video he's going to be murdered. Okay, so it's a set of 2 pieces. It has, don't nod at me like this.
With the laces, without the laces,
Yeah,
I
there's
see
different
there's some
kinds,
laces
na?
out here.
So basically,
There are no
and the
laces out
shorts
here.
are going to be very comfortable and intimate. at
And
the
there's a
same
lot of
time.
embroidery.
हाँ तो it will depend, no.
They don't have too many.
eye.
They don't have too many colors. That's the problem. Black, red.
So these are the
silver.
basic intimate wear. में this is like the basic thing.
All right, guys. So the next one is negligee.
You mean negligee?
Okay. क्या है ये? चीज क्या है ये?
Yeah, basically ये भी 90 type ही है, but it's going to be a little expensive because we are checking it out on Victoria's Secret also, and yeah,
Okay.
it is negligee.
Alrighty.
It's like a see-through kind of night gown. ठीक है, it's made of sheer cloth, तो वो पता चलेगा. Okay, let's check it out.
But the thing is, I can't find one.
Yeah, over here they're called slips.
Slips.
Yeah.
Okay. So why can't we just call it slips? Why make it so difficult
It can
to
be
talk?
called in different ways in different brands now.
Alrighty. So I see a lot of satin out here.
Huh.
Is it something comfortable?
Yeah, it is very comfortable.
Yeah. So I am seeing a lot of boring. Not so boring actually.
Yeah, so it can be see-through also, और because इसका कपड़ा ही बहुत soft होता है, तो it's
Okay.
made to feel that you're not wearing anything, but you're wearing things.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you say lace plunge slip,
This is the plunge. Plunge is basically the neckline. It's plunging deep, unlike you.
I like the plunge. बहुत बढ़िया.
Ooh, this back thing is very sexy, no?
This looks like a party dress to
हाँ
me.
तो now it's in fashion, so it can be worn as party dress.
In fact, the black one also is.
Yeah, it's beautiful. This one also looks nice.
Why would you waste this sleeping? I think you should go party with this.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't you think so?
It depends upon a woman's mood. You know nothing about that. In fact, we also don't know. So as we didn't have enough time, we only took one website. Please always compare prices, types, different kind of cloth material, everything with like on different websites. as well.
Very important.
Yeah. Secondly, it is important to keep in mind that each brand or each website will have different sizes for you. So don't get confused. Please compare. Please know your own size. And then buy and then spend money basically. And the third one is you're never too sure about the website. It might be that you're ordering for the first time on a website like we were ordering for the first time. So please check the reviews, compare them with other people, like basically connect, network, and then you get.
And I want to add one more thing. Guys, it looks good, but make sure it's comfortable. Take an opinion. Maybe if you want to surprise your girlfriend, then get another girlfriend going for it.
That's it for today from
Lingerie.
Not Lingerie. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.